Hi everyone, so this is just a quick little video. I've been making up these little stuffed envelopes, and I've got a few, but I'm going to do like some of them in individual videos. So these two are the prayer ones, and they will be listed in my KoFi shop, and I will put a link to the listing below in the description box. They will obviously, there's a blue one and a pink one, and that's how they will be recognized. So they're just little, like they could be a little gift to someone. It could be something you could literally throw in your handbag. So I'll show you the blue one first. They've got a little journal, so for keeping your little notes, you know, it's nothing special. It's just a little blank journal where you can personalize it. You could use some of the bits in there to personalize it, add your notes, glue things in from when you go to church and things like that. So that's in there. I will have the full description of everything. Actually, will I? She says, will I? Because I'm going away and I'm putting these up like a day or two before I come back. So that actually is 6 1/4 by just shy of 3 1/2. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so that's 18, 36 pages. So that's that. And it says here, "Dear Jesus, when I am in the valley, please help me to see the mountain." And then we've got some tags, which they go in there. I've used a variety of things, ARTYmaze, Tsunami rolls in this as well. So sorry, there's the tags, get a better look at them. Faith over fear. And we've got our script there. And then you've got 2 of these. So these, I mean, these are really cheap for shipping as well, because obviously I can send them off as a large letter here in the UK, hence why the shipping will be nice and cheap. I've got little journal cards there, sorry. Holy Ghost, Angel and Notes. And these majority of the prayer things are from Tsunami rolls, so you go check Tsunami rolls out and on Etsy, and if you go into the description, the search bar once you're on her shop on Etsy, and just put in prayer, all her prayer journals will come up. There's hundreds. Right, so that's the blue one. On there is the pink one. So we've got these two. And these, and you've got that. I like the pink one. I'm not a big lover of pink, but it's starting to warm on me. And 2 tags there. Oh, we've got 3 tags in this one, that one in the back, and then this one. Let's see what the measurement is of this. It is again about 6 1/4 by just over 3 1/2, that one. And that's on the front, so you can actually write on there as well. And again, that's Tsunami rolls. And then this one has got like full pages, I think. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 8, 16, 32 pages front and back in this one. And the paper I used on there is from ARTYmaze. What kit's that called? Bella Rose. Is it Bell Rose or Bella Rose? One of the two. I think it's Bell Rose. It's a lovely kit, that is. Go check that out as well. You will find below in the description box a list of ladies who I use on a regular basis for making my kits. Sometimes it's a mixture of all of them in one kit, in one journal. So that's the 2 little pink and blue prayer stuffed envelopes with a little notebook journal thing. And you will find the listings for them below. And I'll do the other things separately.